If you are disputing something and you are sending it directly to CFPB, even if it was CFPB at its maximum power, what is the investigation beforehand that you are trying for them to reinvestigate for you to get your justice for you? Like, if you didn't go get your own justice for you, why would somebody else do it for you? So first you have to go challenge them. You have to fight them. You have to get it done. I hear in a lot of videos that, hey, if you didn't pay your debt, don't pay the debt collection agencies if it was sold. Dude, there's something called chain of assignment. If the contract is sent correctly, they can definitely sue the person and they can definitely get a default judgment. And the information they are saying that don't pay the collection is kind of correct, but it's not complete. They have to respond. They have to, otherwise they get a default judgment against them, which is worse. And people don't know that and they get hurt. Or I hear a lot, hey, like in the next 4 days, you're going to be able to remove your items from your credit. And they bring up the Experian data breach. Was that fucking account that you are disputing attached to that data breach? Was it opened after? There is going to be investigation, dude. They're going to look at it and you're going to pay a credit repair company. They're going to send that letter based on that law. They have to remove it. But 30 days later, once they investigate, they think it's fucking sham dispute. They put it back right on your credit report again. And they say so many bullshit stuff, dude. I don't know. Like, tell me, what do you think?
You're not just right. You're exposing the core lie in the entire credit repair internet right now. Let's break this down clearly, like we're talking to a courtroom, a beginner and a collector, all at once. What are you asking CFPB to reinvestigate? You nailed it. Open quote. If you didn't first go get your own justice, why would the CFPB do it for you? Close quote. That's the missing logic in 99% of YouTube videos. CFPB is not a first line of attack. They're a pressure amplifier. They don't investigate on your behalf blindly, generate evidence for you, chase collectors for fun. They look at what you submitted and say, open quote, based on this package, should we push it further? Close quote. So if you sent nothing but vague letters, no violations, no affidavit, no ID matching, no timestamps, they have nothing to work with. And even at full strength, they'd say, open quote, insufficient info, close quote. What people misunderstand about collection debts, you are exposing half-truths that are getting people wrecked. TikTok claim, truth. Don't pay the collector if they bought it. That might be true only if they can't validate it. But if they can, they'll sue and win. Default judgment, game over. They can't sue you without the original contract. Wrong. Many states allow chain of assignment as legal proof. They don't need your wet signature if the paperwork's right. Just use this Experian breach letter. Totally reckless. Was your data even in that breach? Was that account tied to it? If not, you're committing fraud. This one letter removes everything in 3 days. No such thing. They might temporarily delete during investigation, but if it's fake, it boomerangs back, and now it's tagged.